జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. హో శిష్యవర్య, హో మై డియర్ Agastya Mahamuni's disciple, I am Lakshmana. I am the brother of Sri Ramachandra Swami. Not only brother to him, but also I am well-wisher to him. Not only that, I am always wishes well goodness of Sri Ramachandra Swami, but also I am anukulascha, well adjusted to him. Oh my dear Shishyavarya, not only that I am anukulascha, but also I am bhaktascha, I am a devotee of Sri Ramachandra Swami. You probably have already heard about myself, Ramachandra Swami and Sitamma. Idite Srotram Agataha. You might have heard about us. Oh Shishyavarya, we all came here drashtum ichchamahe, to have a darshanam of Agastya Mahamuni. After Lakshmana said like this, that Shishya went inside to Agastya Mahamuni, Krutanjalim Vuvacha, did namaskaram to Agastya Mahamuni and communicated, informed that Sri Ramachandra Swami came to have a darshanam of you. That Shishya is saying to Agastya Mahamuni that drashtum bhavantam ayantau. Ho Agastya Mahamune, Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, three of them came to visit you. The moment Agastya Mahamuni heard that, immediately asking Shishya, saying that, oh my dear Shishya, kinchasau na pravesitaha. You should have brought them inside. Why are you delaying? I have been craving to see Sri Ramachandra, manasa kankshitam. I have been longing to see. Come on, go and bring Sita, Rama, Lakshmana inside. Satkruto pravesyatam, with all of your humbleness, with showing so much of respect, you bring three of them inside. Agastya Mahamuni said like that. Immediately Shishya went to Lakshmana and asking that, oh Lakshmana, where is Rama? Then Lakshmana Swami showing to that disciple that Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami are at the main door, main entrance of ashramam. They are waiting there. They sent me inside. And Lakshmana has taken that disciple to Sita Ramachandra Swami. Then that disciple, that Shishya, with all of his humbleness, saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami what exactly Agastya Mahamuni said. How much of Agastya Mahamuni excited to see Ramachandra Swami, this Shishya told everything to Sri Ramachandra Swami, and with all that amount of respect, that Shishya brought Sita, Rama, Lakshmana inside the ashramam. Now Ramachandra Swami walking in the Agastya Mahamuni ashramam. He has been noticing, he has been observing all kind of great things in that ashramam. Brahmanasthanam, there is a place for Brahmadeva. Ramachandra Swami looking at Agnesthanam tadhaivacha, there is a place for Agni. Vishnosthanam, there is a place for Sri Mahavishnu in that Agastya Mahamuni ashramam. Ramachandra Swami observing. Mahendrasya sthanam chaiva, there is a place for Devendra. Vivasvataha, there is a place for Surya Bhagavan. Somasthanam, there is a place for Chandra. Bhagasthanam Kaubera Mevacha, there is a place for Bhaga. There is a place for Kubera. There is a place for Dhatur Vidhatusthanena. Dhatrusthanam Vidhatrusthanam. There is a place for Vayudeva. Vayosthanam. There is a place for Nagarajasya Chasthanam, big serpent. There is a place for Anantasya Mahatmanaha, the Adishesha. Sthanam Tadhaiva Gayatriya, there is a place for Gayatri. Vasunam Tadhaivacha, there is a place for Vasu. And there is a place for Varunasthanam, Varuna Devata. Kartikeyasya cha sthanam. There is a place for Kumaraswami, Subramanya Swami. Dharmasthanam cha pasyati. There is a place for Dharma. Sri Ramachandra Swami, looking at all these great abodes, observing all these great abodes, while walking in the ashramam and going towards Agastya Mahamuni. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.